moments of awareness where I come to the present and realize what's happening. And they're just the beginning of this journey. I'm already in that moment awake and with God. But because I got trapped into this illusion, like in a dream, you're just in a dream and you cannot exit it. You have to awake yourself in the dream of earth, doing the things with your body. And it goes for lifetimes and lifetimes. We are already in hell. But there's heaven almost every moment that we find ourselves present. Because in that moment, all the problems disappear. Isn't that weird? How can that be? You feel fine. How can I feel fine in the moment I focus on the present? I erase my illusion. Yes, the body still appears to be here, but I'm not really there with the body. In the present moment, I am existing. And existence is eternal. Existence. How can existence cease to be? It cannot. I will be there and continue to be there. Therefore, eternity. It is so easy to become eternal and come back home. I just need to refocus my energies, whatever I consider myself to be, towards the present moment. As soon as I grasp the present moment, I am with God, with the truth, with whatever you want to call it. I am that. And no thought of problems can stop that. Because I am that. I am the power. And you are the power also. And everyone else is the power. If we just come back to this present moment and experience eternity. Now the question is, how long can you stay there? Well, obviously the ego is not going to let you run along and enjoy your present moment. It's going to come back in and say things. Wow, this is nice. I really enjoy that. In that moment, it interrupts eternity. And you think that that's totally fine. Well, it's not fine. That is your life being interrupted by the monster that keeps living your life for you. And you should take it seriously. And not just go along with the flow. If I come into your house, suddenly, I didn't even knock, I just barged through the door. And say like, whatever I'm going to say. You would be shocked. What if I barged through your door, sit on a couch, take your remote out of your hands, while you watch your favorite show on television, and start watching commercials. Would you be upset? Well, that's what the mind is doing to us. And if we don't bring it under control, who will bring it under control? God is not going to come in and bring it under control unless you decide that something must be done in this regard. So meditate. Do yoga, stretch, go into nature, take a breath. Try to be present. Start there. Feel your life. Because I'm not going to feel it for you. Only you can feel it for you. Only you.